This is one of the easy coding questions that actually requires some thinking. So given an array of integers, return true if the numbers can form a consecutive sequence. Now how do we generate a consecutive sequence? We'll first take the smallest value from the input array, and then each additional number will be one more than the previous number. In this case, we are able to generate a sequence using the numbers from the input array, so we can return true. Let's go over the thought process. We'll first find the minimum and maximum number. By calculating maximum minus minimum plus 1, we're able to determine the number of unique elements needed for the sequence. We can store all of the numbers inside hash sets, and then the size of the sets will determine the number of unique numbers. Now a side case we need to handle is when all of the elements is equal to 0, so in this case the number of unique elements we need is 1. But that's incorrect because we need to use every single element inside the array. We need to make sure that the size of the sets is equal to the length of the array. Let's implement the function is consecutive, taking the input array, keep track of the minimum and maximum value, create the hash sets, iterate through the numbers, update min if the current number is smaller, update max if the current number is greater, add the current number to the sets, return true if the size of the set is equal to the length of the array, and also the size of the sets is equal to the number of unique elements needed.